In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Bank of America on a digital wallet. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. To add your Bank of America card to a digital wallet, you do not need to use the Bank of America app. Instead, open up any of the eligible digital wallets that Bank of America is accepted in. These include Apple Pay, Google Pay, PayPal, Samsung Pay, and others. In this video, I'm gonna show you the process of adding your Bank of America card to Apple Pay and Google Pay, but the process is mostly the same on any other digital wallet that you have. For Apple Pay, open up the wallet app, select debit or credit card, and then choose the Add Available Debit or Credit Card to your wallet. Follow with the prompts presented to you on screen and you will be able to easily add your Bank of America card to your digital wallet. If you are doing this on Google Pay, what you have to do instead is open up the app, select the Insights button at the bottom corner of the screen, show all accounts, add account, and then use payment method. And in there, you will be able to input the credentials of your Bank of America card. Like I said, the process is mostly the same for any other digital wallet that you have, and I recommend you go over to the Samsung Pay website or the PayPal website if you need help for those systems. As long as your Bank of America card is accepted into any digital wallet, you will be able to use the digital wallet to make and receive payments. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Bank of America digital wallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.